how to fix Chrome not opening easily and fast. So first thing you want to do, guys, is go down here to the search bar and search for settings, and then you have to go into the apps and click on apps and features, and now here make sure to set this into anywhere. After that, go into the home page or the desktop, search again for Chrome, click on your right mouse, open file location, click on your right mouse again on Google Chrome, click on properties and click on compatibility, enable this option and choose Windows 8, click apply and OK. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.